E, X, L, B, C, D, E, L, I, W, yep, V, Y, X. Yeah, how do you spell your name? You go A, L, E, X. A, X. That's right. C, D. That's F. Right. What about I? And can you do L? And can you do P? Yeah, that's right. That's how you do Q. And V. And what about R? You almost got it. Good job. Yeah, good job.